Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Maisto Mercedes SLK230 with the functioning roof. So we'll take a look at the box first. Kind of a unique box. It has the name of the car on the side and then the Maisto down there. The car's kind of on an angle in here with the Maisto logo, and then you got the name of the car there. Very cool. And there's a picture of how the top works on the side, which is cool. Nothing really back here. On the bottom, oh, here's some stuff on the bottom. More pictures of the top. Instruction manual included, okay. Even though it's pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Opening doors, etc. 1996. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. My parents got me this for Christmas from eBay. Oh, and here is the instruction manual. It's almost like a Lego instruction book. But it just kind of shows how you fold the top up and down, so that's cool. All right, looks like it's never actually been out of its box before. All the straps are still on it, so that's really cool to see. We will go ahead and unscrew it next. Let's see. Check out the bottom here. Yeah, I need a longer screwdriver. Yeah, this one's been on my wish list for a while, so I'm really glad that I have it. All right, got out the screws. They were kind of difficult. I had to once again use 3 different screwdrivers to try. Eventually, this one worked, the one that came with my Norev. All right, looks like a pretty cool model here. We'll go ahead and take off these straps next. Let's see what we got going on here in terms of detail. All right, here's our model, the Mercedes SLK230. Of course, you got these opening doors and then the opening hood up here. Really nice detail. I love this two-tone interior too. However, that was the very first time this roof mechanism was actually worked on this model, so that was cool to do that. It was a little bit stiff, but I'll probably have a video in the future just talking about the roof and how it works and whatnot. But that was our unboxing and a quick look at this model for now. I'll definitely be doing a full-on review of this in the future. Thanks for watching.